Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are healthy and safe at home. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to learn letter U. Letter U says a. U says a. But before starting the pictures, let's have a poem on it. Up in the blue sky, what do you see? Up in the blue sky, what do you see? Big star, small star, blinking at me. Big star, small star, blinking at me. Blinking, blinking, sha la 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 la. Blinking, blinking, sha la 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 la. Blinking, blinking, ha 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 ha. Blinking, blinking, ha 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 ha. Students, tell me, did you enjoy the poem of Up in the Blue Sky? Wasn't it really great? Okay, now let's come and have a look on letter U. So today we are going to read and write letter U. This is letter U. Which letter is this? U. And what is the sound of letter U? A. U says a. U says a. Okay, this is capital U and this is cursive U. Now let's come and see the pictures. Oh wow, who is this? He is a policeman. Who is this? He is a policeman. And what is he wearing? He is wearing a uniform. What is he wearing? Uniform. Every person, those who are on special jobs, they wear a particular uniform. As soldiers, naval personals, army personals, and air force, military, they all belong to some particular job, like doctors, lawyers. They all belong to a particular job from which we can identify them. So they wear a particular dress that is called uniform. And you also wear uniform, isn't it? Yes, school uniform. Now tell me what the policeman is holding. What is in his hand? Umbrella. What is it? Umbrella. And umbrella starts with which sound? A. And A is the sound of which letter? U. U. Umbrella. And policeman is under the umbrella. Where is he? Under the umbrella. You are under. How will we say? You are under. And who is this? He is uncle. Who is this? Uncle. When we are saying uncle, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is A. And A is the sound of which letter? U. You are uncle. You are uncle. Okay, now tell me what this boy is doing. He is playing in the water. As it's raining, you can see it very clearly that policeman is holding umbrella and uncle is wearing raincoat, isn't it? And one frog is also sitting on the rock, right? He's sitting on the rock and the boy is playing. But what is he wearing? He is wearing undergarments. What he is wearing? Undergarments. You are undergarments. How will you say? You are undergarments. When we are saying undergarments, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is A. And A is the sound of letter U. Now, Let's come and do the written part. This one. It's very easy to make letter U. So simple. First, take out your pointer finger, keep like this and trace it with your finger. Like this. Standing line, curve, again curve and go up in a standing position. Let's trace the letter. From where we are to start? From the green dot. From here, okay? Make standing line, curve and go up in a standing position like this. Let's do it again. Start from here. Standing line, make a curve, go up in a standing position like this. Now let's see how to make in the given lines. Start from the red line. Keep pencil on the red line and trace it. Standing line, touch the third line and make a curve like this. Go up in a standing position. Okay? You have to be very particular while making U. And you have to match dot to dot as I am doing. And from where we are to start? We are to start from the red line. Then we will touch the blue line. And then again we will touch red line. Let's do it without dots. As I have told you earlier, from where to start? From red line. So we will put our pencil on the red line. Standing line. And from when we are coming this side, then we are to make a curve like this. Touch the blue line. Go up in a standing position. And touch the red line like this. Okay. Let me show you again. From where we are to start? Red line. So we will keep our pencil on the red line. Come down in a standing line. Make standing line. Yes, come till here. Now turn. Make a curve. Touch the blue line. Go up in a standing position. Like this. Okay. This is letter U. I hope you have understood how to make letter U and what are the pictures that are starting with letter U. So you all have to revise letter U nicely and do the work in your books. Okay? So that's all from my side today. Bye-bye.